Welcome to our audience here that's live and also to our audience that's on webcast for an on-the-record, no-embargoed session today. We're so excited to have you here. It's great to be back in the Americas. Spending the last 3 years traveling the world in Asia, Pacific, and Africa, and I'm so excited about the opportunity to work with our team here to continue the momentum we have here in North America and show about what we're about for the future. And of course, our future is about product. We've had such great product momentum here in North America over the last several years with the freshest lineup in the industry. And we're very excited to talk to you more about what's going on in our business today. Today here at Ford Field and at North American International Auto Show next month, we're going to provide another example of the power of our One Ford plan, this time on commercial vehicles. It's all about a new global growth opportunity for us. You know, Ford is already the top commercial truck producer here in the United States, 28 years running. And now we're going to provide you an all-new family of vans for North America, replacing our beloved E-Series vans after 51 years of service and 33 years of leadership in the market. 29% of the global auto industry sales are in government business and in the fleet business that we call commercial vehicles. And we realize it's not one of the areas you spend a lot of time talking about. It doesn't get a lot of highlights. But some of our most important customers and industries such as law enforcement, delivery, energy, they're all a big part of this, and many of them are here to join us today, including examples of DT Energy, Sara Lee, Altec, and many other great partners. Now, I'll tell you more about our One Ford plan and what's going on to transform our commercial vehicle business. I'm proud to welcome Raj Neer, our Group Vice President of Global Product Development. Raj?
Thanks, Joe. So everything we're going to be talking about today is really enabled by our One Ford strategy. And One Ford is really about maximizing our global resources so we can build world-class products for our customers, generate significant operating efficiencies so we can bring more affordable product at a faster rate, generates more unique products, fewer core platforms, so we can offer customers more choices. So as you know, there's a number of elements of our One Ford global product strategy. First, vehicles that are great to drive. Vehicles that flatter the novice but will reward the expert driver. Vehicles that are great to sit in, offering second home comfort on wheels. Always unmistakably a Ford in look, sound, and feel. Equipped with technologies that our customers really value. And perhaps most importantly right now, fuel economy as a reason to buy. So One Ford enables us to deliver all of these attributes in every one of our new vehicles across our global lineup. And platform consolidation has been a key part of that strategy. So back in 2007, we were at 19 platforms. 2014, we'll be at 13 platforms, with 80% of our production coming off of those platforms. Ultimately, we'll be down to 9 core platforms. This allows us to reinvest those savings back into more new vehicles for greater customer choice, coming at a faster rate. So far we've consolidated 4 global platforms. Our B cars, our small B cars, C cars, CD cars, and our global compact pickup segments. And our global C platform, the platform that our focus comes off of, actually produces more volume. Hold on, I'm getting a call. Turn that off. Someone calling me about the C platform, I think. It's going to produce more volume from one platform than any other automaker. So the progress that we've made for our first 4 global platforms results in a potential volume of 6 million units a year. So what's next? Well, we see a new opportunity in commercial vans. The total commercial segment presents more potential for growth than any other segment, mainly in truck-based commercial vehicles, which is our strength. The global commercial industry is valued at 17 million units right now, forecasted to grow 5 million units by 2017, a 28% increase. And we're going to approach this opportunity as we have in our other global platforms, taking 2 great regional platforms, our E-Series here, and Transit, which is in 116 other markets, and creating one global platform. allowing us to engineer significant fuel economy improvements into these vehicles. So customers in every segment have really been demanding more fuel economy. New vehicle buyers indicate fuel economy was their most important purchase reason. We see this across segments, across powertrain choices. The chart you see here shows that 4-cylinder engines actually passed 6-cylinder engines in 2007 as the engine of choice for American customers. Today, 4-cylinders are selling at nearly twice the rate of 6-cylinder engines and well above 6-cylinder and 8-cylinder engines combined. Demand for fuel economy has grown and remained high across all segments. And Ford is delivering leading fuel economy, including 8 vehicles with 40 miles per gallon or more. That's a claim no other automaker can make. More importantly, according to J.D. Power, customers say they are happier with Ford vehicles' fuel economy more so than any other full-line automaker. In fact, Ford's fuel economy customer satisfaction has grown since 2006 by 16%. That's double the industry rate of 7%. And again, according to J.D. Power, our vehicles have higher fuel economy satisfaction than Toyota in 5 of the 8 segments where we both compete. So remember, this is customers saying they're happier with Ford vehicles' real-world fuel economy than others. So our fuel economy leadership is the direct result of a journey we began 5 years ago with our Blueprint for Sustainability. Part of that plan was to expand the power of choice we provide to our customers. We recognize that different customers have different driving needs, which is why we offer a wide variety of fuel-efficient powertrain options, from gasoline engines to our family of direct-injected turbocharged EcoBoost engines, to electrified options ranging from hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and all-electric vehicles. And the results of this strategy has been huge for us. So let's talk about EcoBoost first. 7 EcoBoost vehicles in 2011, 15 in 2012, tripling our production of these engines. In November, F-150 passed the 250,000 sales of EcoBoost engines. 1.5 million EcoBoost power vehicles will be available globally by 2013. And our family of electrified vehicles also continues to grow. Fusion Hybrid at 47 miles per gallon. C-Max Hybrid, it's America's best-selling hybrid utility at 47 miles per gallon. Focus Electric at 105 miles per gallon electric. Fusion Energy, which will be at least 100 miles per gallon in city, expected to be the most fuel-efficient sedan. C-Max Energy, America's most fuel-efficient and affordable plug-in hybrid on the market today. And November was our best-ever sales month for hybrids, nearly 7,000 sold. But we're not stopping there. We're continuing to explore opportunities to save customers even more money at the pump. However, there's been some questions raised about fuel economy. So it's important to note we've designed our hybrids to drive exactly the same as all of our other vehicles with the global DNA, the Ford global DNA. And a key part of that DNA is fun to drive. We could have detuned the vehicles, such as the C-Max Hybrid and the Fusion Hybrid, to maximize their fuel economy like some of our competitors have done, but it would have been at the expense of a fun driving experience. And this would have meant that you would not have been able to take advantage of the 54 more horsepower that the C-Max Hybrid provides over the Prius. But for those who do want to maximize their fuel economy, our hybrids offer our Smart Gauge with EcoGuide coaching tools. It can be a tremendous help to improve the fuel economy. So you may have noticed Consumer Reports has tests of newer vehicles from various manufacturers of their hybrids really vary most from the EPA label, including another hybrid which has the widest single test discrepancy of 19 miles per gallon in their test. So Ford's next generation hybrids offer increased performance in extended electric mode up from 47 miles per hour to 62 miles per hour. Tremendous advantage in fuel economy, but it also makes them more sensitive to spirited driving as well as environmental conditions. So quite a few factors can affect hybrid fuel economy more so than a regular gas engine. These are just a couple. So speed alone, from 75 miles an hour to 65 miles an hour. That could be a 7 mile per gallon difference. Outside temperature, the difference between 40 degrees and 70 degrees, 5 miles per gallon difference. Break-in of the vehicle, the difference from 0 miles to 6,000 miles can be 5 miles per gallon difference. So all of that could add up to a 17 mile per gallon difference. So beyond these conditions, we absolutely agree with the EPA that hybrids are far more variable in the test cycle compared to real-world driving conditions in conventional vehicles. So we're working closely with the agency to determine if any changes are needed for the industry relative to hybrid vehicle testing. But even perhaps a more personal example will help just highlight how sensitive a hybrid can be. When I drive our hybrids home from our Dearborn facility to my home in Ann Arbor, when I'm using all of our coaching tools, when I'm using our Empower gauge, where I can tailor throttle demand to what the electric motor can provide, on the highway, when I set it at Eco Cruise mode with our adaptive cruise control and cruise at 60 miles an hour, I consistently hit the combined number. Unfortunately, that's not the way I usually drive. So when I drive that hybrid the way I drive my Shelby GT500, I typically lose about 12 miles per gallon. So that can be the difference between maximizing the tools we have available versus if you have a little bit of a lead foot like I do, what you'll see in other conditions. So our new C-Max and Fusion hybrids are off to a really fast start, and customers are actually praising the vehicles, including the fuel economy they're getting. A good number of them are reporting over the 47 miles per gallon. As you can see, at a third-party C-Max hybrid forum has a wide collection of customer fuel economy reports, including quite a few between 45 and 55. So we want to be open about our approach to fuel economy because it's a core part of our One Ford plan, and we've worked hard to deliver on it. That plan allows us to deliver fuel economy across all of our platforms and segments globally.